Lekute.
It happen here. My friend, please, can you remove your hand from my table, please?
You know, I thought we'll be on the same pari passu, having carefully observed this terrain,
yeah,
and having carefully examined your past and present antecedent as a minister in the temple of God, I deem it fit for me to come and let's have some tete-a-tete.
Please, I don't understand. Can you remove your hand, please? Remove your hand.
You shouldn't be hostile to your members. I've been on your trail for a very, very long time. And we are having some mental, physical, and legal and financial incapabilities.
I notice that your mental capacity is not in order. I notice it.
Why are you just assaulting me? I'm trying to explain. The issue is, like me, I'm a lawyer.
Okay. Now I get the point. Yeah, I get the point.
The issue is I'm not just a very small lawyer. I'm a very big lawyer. I have handled so many cases across the globe, and one of which, there was a time when Nigeria had problem with Yugoslavia, when the president had to send some emissaries to go and see how they can resolve. I was among those people that were sent to resolve the issue. Even when OPEC had some issues with some countries, I was among. You know Gani Fawemi?
Yeah.
You've heard of the name?
Yes.
Yes, I was the one that laid the platform for him to
Oh, you laid the platform.
Yes, so it's one of the many things that I have done, in pro bono.
Pro bono.
Yes, exactly.
Are you from Borno State?
What's the relationship with
pro bono?
Okay.
Yeah.
You are not learned. You won't understand some of all these legal adoptions.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why we are here, sir.
Okay. Sorry, so far so good. I don't understand. Why are you here?
I thought I've been explaining my purpose for coming here.
My brother, with the way you came to my office, it's as if you are in a debate ground, or maybe you came for quiz. Because you were saying OPEC, pro bono and other stuff.
See, Pastor, let me just tell you the truth. In life, there are three people you cannot lie to.
Yeah.
Your man of God, your lawyer, and your doctor.
Oh, you don't lie to them.
You should not.
But you will use grammar to kill them. Right?
My apologies, and I'm most obliged. The reason why we have been trying to reiterate some things.
My brother, forget reiteration. I said, why you dey here? How can I help you?
Okay, Pastor, I'm having some physical legal encumbrances in where I have set out my hand as my going concern.
Lekute, my brother, I said, forget ambulance or encumbrances. Why are you here?
Okay, Pastor. I know the win case.
Exacto. Hey, you go open up. Forget all this grammar. My brother, open up. Only can know the sugar for pocket.
I don't want you to juxtapose issues. I don't want you to model things up.
My brother, no need to mold, no need to juxtapose. You no go fit pose again now. Because you hear they say no need to juxtapose issues. Your case now be like woman with issue of blood. That's why you come meet me so.
No. See, Pastor. It's not as bad as see. I have many cases, so.
Okay, how many cases have you done? And how many did you win?
I've done over 100 cases. Over 100.
Over 100?
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes. But if I did really win case, I would be here.
Nah, they talk.
I know you have Ororo.
My brother, no man is God.
No man is God.
My brother, those grammar, waiting you wear, so. We all are one, my brother. This life is only God.
Only God.
That's why your prayer should be, oh God, help me.
Even you need help.
My brother, we all need help. So, you have done over 100 cases.
Yes.
How many have you won? At least you should win something from it now.
If I really did win, I'd be here. but I have won one.
Wow, one.
Yes, I have won one case.
I think I'm proud of you as a young man.
Yeah, but
One. How did it happen?
What really happened was that the claimant, that is the people that brought me to court.
Yes.
My client to court.
Yes.
The claimant lawyer died. the claimant himself died. The judge struck out the case.
Oh.
You understand? So that's how that won, because
meaning there is nobody to challenge the case anymore.
So everybody died. So that is how they are now work victory.
Meaning in all your life as a lawyer, you have not won a case.
No, I won this one. This one I just mentioned to you.
Oh, I can see, my brother, your case is different.
So I know you have this Ororo and
I have the power I carry. I didn't wear this suit for nothing.
Yes, so you are going to help me to be victorious. I want to win cases.
My brother, let me tell you something. Next time, when you need help and you enter an office or anywhere, leave grammar, leave English.
I came here for you to help me, not for you to question my intellectual capacity.
My brother, your intellectual capacity help you? Did they help you?
See,
my brother, it's not by intellectual capacity. Even Oba Agbon speak English pass you where he did now. My brother, it's not by grammar. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, Pastor.
I know of people that English have taken to prison.
Serious?
Yes, now because the people they are speaking the English to could not understand them. Wow. I don't know if you understand. There was a case of a young girl. She was in a taxi on a journey. That girl was heavily pressed, but she just wanted to impress the people in the car. So she said, I'm impressed. The driver kept on going until the girl shout, I won't use toilet. So when you came, I even thought you want to help me. I never knew that you are the one that need my help. So, my brother, let me tell you something. The fact that you are not winning case now does not mean that you are a loser. Though you are a loser, though. I don't know if you understand. My brother.
Do you know all these things I just saying? You can earn yourself a free suit. I can just sue you for defamation of character.
I can earn myself a free suit.
Free suit, defamation of character.
I need suit.
No, I will drag you to court. I can sue you.
You can drag me to court.
Slander, sedition, and defamation of character plus character assassination.
Do you have character? You know someone that has character they will assassinate. It's a character assassination. So libel, slander, and sedition. Why those libel, slander, and sedition don't help you since? Ogu go seduce you. Don't threaten me with libel, slander, and sedition. Ordinary small thing. Now they say libel, slander, and sedition. I'm telling you that you should open up. Let us see the way we can figure out issues. You are still threatening me. See who say you won't take me to court. Take me to court now. You definitely lose. Are you not a loser? So listen to me. Let me just tell you the truth. Yes. All you need to do now is this. Brother, let me open up to you. There is nobody that has not failed. Great men fail, but they focus.
I need to focus on failure.
My brother, you just need to focus on your strengths. Like you now, you are used to losing. Focus on that losing. You can be used as bad example. People just say that guy where they lose case. People cannot make reference to you. I don't know if you understand.
I'm understanding.
Let me give you an example. When I graduated from school, no job. So I started this my ministry. I started living this fake pastor life. Now, if they want to check anything fake now, they point at me. Why? I convert my weakness to strength. Am I not the number one fake pastor in Nigeria?
That's true.
Right.
You have even earned an award for yourself.
Yes, now. So you can be the number one loser. The number one case loser. I don't know if you understand what I'm telling you. So, nobody that don't feel like. Do you know that your case is even good? My own situation. Me that is shouting Ororo. There was a day they took a woman to my church. That woman was diabetic. Do you know that when I laid my hands on that woman to heal her, the woman died. Baba, no be small polo. They won't kill me. See the mark for my face now. Me no know say the woman grandchildren no get joy. See beating.
Are you serious?
Bambara, they unleash the dragon. But all those things, so me no go fit post those one.
But you always smiling. Anytime you always smiling.
I go to smile now. I go to cry. Then don't make me remember that. I go to cry. My brother, I know if they cry. You know what I don't see for this life? One girl came to my church that the brother want to sow a seed of a car. I didn't ask them. They sold the car to me. My brother, the next day, they just came that that car that you collected from our brother, return it. Now I say, they gave it to God. See slap. Yeah. You be God. You be God. You be God. Where you go collect person motor, you be God. They peel my face like say I be armed robber. There are things we are facing as men of God, especially those of us that are fake. But we will not say it out. I don't know if you understand.
I'm understanding.
So, but you have to humble yourself when you see your fellow failure. So, my brother, even in this losing life, for you to become successful in that your field, or let me even change, see if I can pray for you so that you become better. You have to be a good member and a committed one. You attend this church, right? Let me check your tithe card.
What are you expecting?
By the time I'm done with your tithe card, that is when I will know if I really need to pray for you, or let me see what I can do.
So there's no need. Who get money, they pay tithes.
Daniel Ipapera Ogwaligo Agbala Omeri. Is that your name?
That's my name. Put barrister now. You don't just call my name like that.
It's not by putting barrister. With the way you are looking, I don't think you are really called to the real bar, which is called. I think you are called to beer parlor. With the way you are doing your face. Your name is not here on the tithe card.
I told you, there's no. See, the only client I have now that I'm expecting money from, they just sentenced him to death by hanging.
Lekute, meaning you no longer have a client.
Although the parents were promising to bring the balance.
How can they bring balance when they have sentenced someone?
Was that the one that killed the boy?
But you are not competent. That's why they sentenced him to life imprisonment. In fact, my brother, case closed. Leave my office.
I should leave your office.
Leave my office.
You have not prayed for me. You've not given me help. Nothing.
My brother, leave my office before I lose.
In fact, I will start with you.
My brother, leave my office. If you don't leave my office, it's not only case you will lose. You will lose your life.
Those boys that beat you up that last time, I will talk with them.
I've settled with them. I've settled with them.
See you in court.
See who won't take me to court.
See you in court.
See who won't take me to court. This one will be loser.
I will sue you for libel, slander, sedition. You are a fake pastor, sir.
Sedition kill your head here. I said leave my office.
See, don't worry. I will see you in court.
You see me in court.
See, look at you. Do you know that being a fake pastor is an offence? Section 2, subsection 8, paragraph B of Road Safety Act.
What concerns section 2, paragraph B of Road Safety Act concerns fake pastor? You see why you keep losing? If I don't pray for you, you even lose your life. Oh. Losing cases up and down, see head. That person be like roundabout. I'll give this guy get lost, say, I dey in the right move now, I forgive our uppercut. I been made normally. Oh, go kill this boy. Who allow enter? This boy will suffer for 600 years of his life. Who is this guy? Secretary. Who lose this guy when he enter here? This guy, you are a loser. You are a loser. I'm not a winner. You are what God says. You are a loser. Zuo. Lekute. It dey happen here. I hope you love the video you just watched. Please subscribe, like, turn on your notification, comment, please. To subscribe is free. Just click on subscribe button. Turn on your notification for our fresh videos and new episodes. Lekute, it dey happen here.